What's going on, guys? This is AR Car Reviews back again with another video, and in today's video I have some good news for you guys. We are having the first giveaway of this channel. So in honor of getting 100 subscribers, we are going to be giving away a brand new 2023 Dodge Charger. No, I'm just playing.
Got him!
Alright. It would be cooler if I could do that. It would be cool, but I don't know, man. Not in today's economy. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you to everybody who has subscribed, liked the video, watched the video, turned on the notification bell, told me good job, keep it up. Just any type of feedback in general, I really appreciate it. This is me giving back to you guys to show you that if you rock with me, I rock with you. So thank you guys. To start things off and to give you guys more context, we will be having a total of 3 options for you to win. I'm giving you a choice. If you do win, you'll have a choice of what you want to pick from. The first is going to be a simple carpet extractor. Obviously, since this is a car channel, I'm going to try to stick with the car narrative. So the first thing is going to be a buy-sell carpet extractor, and I'll tell you guys why I picked these items. The first reason is because obviously this is really good. It helps you clean out so much stains in your carpet. If you have cloth seats, it helps with that too. It's multifunctional. You can use this on your carpet if you have carpet, anywhere you want to use it. So it's a really good thing to have. Next up, we have a Chemical Guys car washing kit. This is great. I honestly use this and kit, like it's a really good kit. So I think anybody who has a car knows that you probably don't want to take your car to the car wash. You probably want to, do it yourself, show your car some love and appreciation. So the third and the most simple gift is going to be a flat out, no strings attached, $100 bill. And just to give you guys some more context, the carpet extractor and the chemical cleaning kit also is $100 in honor of the 100 subscribers. So everything is 100. You either have a choice of the extractor, the car wash kit, and of course $100 bill. Now we're going to get into how you can actually do that, and it's very simple. What you can do is, of course, first off, be subscribed to this car YouTube channel, AR Car Reviews. The next thing you could do is to follow any one of my social media platforms. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram. If that's what you use and you would like to hit me up on those platforms, and that's perfectly fine. So I need everybody to do that and just subscribe and then hit me up on that platform and say, hey, I'd like to enter the giveaway for the Chemical Guys car washing kit, and then send me a screenshot of you being subscribed to my car channel, and then that's it. Just do that simple task and you might have the chance to win $100, a car wash kit, or possibly an extractor, according to your own choice or preference. I just wanted to say again, thank you to everybody who is subscribed to this channel. The most questions I get pertaining to this car channel is, how do you get all these cars? Having subscribers really does help. So if you guys can subscribe and you can hit the like button and you can follow me on other social media platforms, it would really help me out to get more cars, to film more videos, to do more things with this. So guys, again, I won't make this video too long, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. To the hundreds of you guys that subscribed, I appreciate you. To everybody else that watches my video, I appreciate you. To all those who like my video, I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys take care. AR out.